Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome here to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing down below. So today's vlog is I'll be doing another unboxing, but this time it's not a gadget or a makeup. It's actually a skincare, guys. Yes, finally I have a skincare. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin, guys, bakit wala daw akong skincare routine vlog? Nahiya kasi ako kasi yung gamit ko is ito lang naman. Ito lang, Skinol at saka Olay. Ito lang dalawa guys yung gamit ko. So, nakakaya naman pag mag skincare routine vlog ako guys. So, I've got a package right here. Dumating siya yesterday guys. So, ito siya. Ayan, ito yung parcel. So, i-open lang natin. So, the brand of this skincare guys is Okana Skincare. It's actually a New Zealand made. And it's organic, it's all natural because they're using fresh fruits and vegetables. Ayan. So, i-open ko lang guys ha. So, ito na guys. Napakaganda ng packaging niya kasi box siya guys. Nilagay nila sa box. So, ito siya. Oh my God, it's very nice. Ayan. So, one set yung binili ko, guys. Meron siyang day and night na skincare. Since first time ko mag-skincare, so lubos-lubosin ko na. Ayan, so i-open lang natin, guys, ha? I'm so excited. Ayan. So, open lang natin, guys. Wow. Laisyo ba? Oh my God, it's very nice. Ayan, guys, so ito yung loob niya. Ayan. So, meron siya ditong parang guide. Ayan, meron siyang day routine and night routine. Kung ano yung i-apply ko sa mukha. Ayan, guide siya, guys. And then, ito yung loob. Oh my God! Look at that! Ang ganda! As in. Meron siyang free towel. Face towel. Dito. Oh my God, very nice. So, super happy ako sa na-purchase ko, guys. So, ito yung Vegetable Garden High Antioxidant Day Moisturizer. Ayan. So, ito siya, guys. Ayan. And then, ito yung Night Moisturizer. Berry Blend. Ayan. 100% naturally derived ingredients, self-preserving formula, real berry juice, fragrance-free, alcohol-free. Ayan. So, ito, guys. Ito yung night natin. And this one is the mango and apricot. So, ito yung cleanser, guys. I'm so excited to use this product kasi ano siya, organic. Then, this one is the apple juice. Ito yung foaming cleanser. Ayan. And, next is bamboo beads. Ito yung face scrub. Ayan, guys. Face scrub. Next is, ito yung toner. Cucumber and lettuce. Maximal Protection Mist Toner. I'm so happy! This one, guys. So, we'll have a look the guide, guys, kung ano yung day routine. So, yung day routine is yung apple foaming cleanser. So, this one, apple foaming cleanser. Next is the cucumber toner. So, this one, cucumber toner. Ayan, so another day routine natin. And then next is vegetable day moisturizer. So, ito yung kinuha ko first. Ito, guys. So, ito yung pang day routine ko, itong tatlo, guys. Ayan, so meron akong pang day routine, no? Excited akong gumamit, guys, kung ano yung resulta. So, for now, unboxing lang siya, guys. And I'll be back mga a month after. Tingnan ko yung result, kung maganda ba yung resulta sa mukha ko, yung difference. So, tingnan natin. So, we'll proceed the night routine. So, ito yung night routine, mango and apricot. Ayan, so, ito yung pang night routine ko, guys. The next is apple foaming cleanser. So, ito yun. So, day and night pala siya yung Apple Foaming Cleanser. Ayan, so nakita nyo na kanina. Another is Bamboo Face Scrub. So, ito yun. Pang nighttime. Ayan. And then, next is the Cucumber Toner. So, mas maraming guys, marami akong routine sa night. So, this one, day and night as well. Ayan. The last one is the Berry Night Moisturizer. So, this one. So, mostly sa product, guys, is pwede siya pang day and night routine. So, ito lang yung Vegetable Garden ang pang daytime. High antioxidant day moisturizer. So, ito lang yung pang daytime, guys. The rest is day and night siya. And ito pala yung towel. Hindi ko na open. Ang ganda kasi free yung towel, face towel, no? So, once again, guys, I'll be back in a few weeks or in a month to give you an update about this product. We'll see what's the result. So yeah, that's it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!